My chocolate buttercream is so indulgent, so delicious, absolutely creamy. Now, there is a trick to getting the perfect chocolate buttercream, which I'm going to show you in this video. And no, it's more than just chucking chocolate or chucking cocoa powder with buttercream. That is not going to give you this delicious buttercream. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Now, this is what I do. I combine chocolate ganache with buttercream to get a super stable buttercream that is absolutely delicious. Now, if you try this, I can guarantee you that you'll want to make your chocolate buttercream this way. So here is my chocolate ganache. And if you don't know how to make chocolate ganache, then you should check out my video. It'll be showing at the top of your screen, and also I will put it in the description section. Now, if you really want to make the most indulgent chocolate buttercream, use dark chocolate to make your chocolate ganache. But if you don't want to use dark chocolate, you can use milk chocolate. That will work quite well. You want to loosen your chocolate ganache. If you don't know how to do that, again, check out the video that'll be showing at the top of your screen and in the description section. And what you want to do is mix in equal parts of chocolate ganache with the buttercream. Now you can measure it out if you want to be precise, or you can just eyeball it like I'm doing there, and whip together to make it nicely combined. Now, the advantage of this type of buttercream is that you get that chocolate flavor in there without making it dry. Because if you added just the cocoa powder to buttercream, actually you'll end up with a grainy and dry chocolate buttercream that wouldn't quite do it. If you use just melted chocolate, that can alter the consistency of your buttercream. But using this method, you get a super stable buttercream, which is absolutely delicious. I mean, just look at that. Just look at that buttercream, super soft, silky, smooth, and it pipes well. It's perfect for decorating your cake, as you can see. So you create a buttercream that is smooth, delicious, silky and smooth, and perfect for decorating your cakes. So next time that you do want to make chocolate buttercream, use this method, try it out, and I can absolutely guarantee you that you'll not regret it, and you will never go back to making chocolate buttercream any other way. So don't forget to save this video so that you use it next time that you want to make chocolate ganache. And if you've got any comments, drop it in the comment section. I'm always here to help. And oh, before you go, if you haven't subscribed to Dr. Mummy Cake's channel, you are missing out. Hit that subscribe button now. Yeah, I have loads of tutorials already on my YouTube to take you from a newbie baker to a pro baker, and lots of videos coming out every week. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Till then, happy baking.